Nice. So when you start mixing these, the secret behind this is getting a really good stiff peak.
Yeah.
Good. You've really got to work that ball round. Got to be really vigorous with it. On, man. Yeah, don't be scared of it before, yeah? Right, from there, look. Up. Fold in. That's nice. The egg whites are perfect. Yeah? That's 90% of the battle done.
Yeah.
Right, time for one of my favourite desserts, raspberry souffle. Raspberry souffle, the #1 show-off dessert. Now, the secret with the souffle is in the jam. Hot pan, sugar, raspberries, vanilla. As the sugar comes up to the boil, turn the gas down and just let that cook out. The jam is nice and rich, but more importantly, we want to get rid of the seeds, but we want to push all that jam through the sieve. Into the fridge, cool it down. Pastry cream. Cream and milk into the pan. Bring that up to the boil. Egg yolks, sugar, beet, flour. That helps to thicken the pastry cream. Mix. You want that really nice, smooth texture. The cream and milk come up to the boil. This is where it gets really exciting. Whisk that up and then put your custard back in to the pan. As you cook it out, it gets nice and thick. That's it. Into a bowl. Mix. Into the fridge and cool the pastry cream down. Now buttering the moulds for the souffle. Butter, chocolate. And then just twist the mould. Right, jam's cooled down, pastry cream's cooled down. Add the jam to the pastry cream. Mix. So it's nice and smooth. Rest. Egg whites. Whisk. Sugar. Egg whites out. Mix. Raspberries into a bowl. Raspberry liqueur. Marinated raspberries at the bottom of the souffle. Amaretti biscuits. That helps to absorb the alcohol. One nice scoop in. And bang down. That evenly places all the mixture throughout the raspberries and the biscuit. And just run a little circle around the mould. That helps the souffle to rise. Into the oven, 190 degrees. 10 minutes. Ice and sugar. That has to be the perfect way of showing off at a dinner party. Fucking beautiful. Raspberry souffle. Done. Right. Keep it going, guys, yes? Yes. Don't overfill the moulds, otherwise they'll explode. Good, a little bit harder. Cloth underneath, look. Cloth there. Bang, bang, bang. A little bit harder, see? You can see the air bubbles come up now. There you go. Tony, make sure those moulds are nice and clean, yes?
Yes, yes.
Good man. If they go in there dirty, they're going to come out like dirty fucking bits of cake shit. Well done, Stevie. Really good.
Thank you, Chef.
Stevie, yeah, you start 8 more now, yeah? Get your bowl cleaned. Yeah, look, come here. Fucking hell. See, I'm trying to help you now. Fucking hell, hey. Look, there's more on the outside than the inside. Right. Ready for the first table, yeah? Here we go. Beautiful. A little dust of ice and sugar. Got to serve them fast. They start sinking the minute they come out, yeah? Right, yeah. Go on, go. Got to know the table quickly.
Come on, Amy. Come on,
that looks like it's a little bit liquid there.
Yeah, yeah.
What happened? Yeah, that's not right.
Start again.
That's not right. Off you go.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Right. You open. So out straight away. Yeah. Close the oven door. They're beautiful. Very nice. Right, start again. Yeah. Don't add the sugar until I come over. Come on, guys, please. No, the hot. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell. So you've had a few jobs in your time, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the worst job you ever had?
Cleaning dough off the bakery machines at Warburton's bread making factory.
Cleaning dough off bread making machines?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
I think this job's definitely suited to me now.
Yeah.
You know, I've found what I like doing.
Yeah. Where does the material come from? How do you think of the...
I just think it's just stuff you pick up along the way. Like this will definitely go at new tour. All this. Absolutely.
Serious?
Yeah.
Do you think the accent helps as well?
Oh, yeah.
Because it's quite a romantic accent, isn't it?
And it's funny, but if you swear in my accent, it's not as harsh as you swear in a southern accent.
No.
So I can say, fuck you, my friend, and it's quite funny.
And it sounds charming.
It sounds charming.
Paddy, here we go. We're coming out the oven now, yes?
Yeah.
Here we go. They're nice. They're beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Who put them in?
Me.
Yeah, well done. Shit.
On the go.
Let's go. Quick. Nice. Go. Come on, fuck off, please. Plate in your hand. Come on, let's go. Ladies, how are we? Yeah. Good to see you. Now, how was your souffle?
Delicious.
Delicious.
She ate mine as well.
Really?
I ate hers as well, yeah.
Christ almighty. How come you ate hers? Didn't you like it?
I didn't like it. It was a bit sloppy.
Sloppy?
I felt it was a bit sloppy.
Is your fringe a wig, or is that just fashion?
It's my own
Does it come off?
fringe. No, it's my
Honestly,
own fringe.
it looks like... Is it? Oh, Christ, it is real.
It's my own fringe.
Christ almighty. Huh? OK, good. Before I tell you the results, yeah, I thought you did fucking well in that course. You know, well done. Yeah. Right, the number of guests that are happy to pay for dessert is... 40 out of 50! Yeah! So that's a grand total of 121 out of 150. Sadly, not good enough to come back, but you did fucking well. Fucking hell! Hey, that was a bolt and whammy.